Saad. I work in Central Station Cocktail Bar Beirut. I came here to support Lost and Found and Demos. It was a great night, great shift, great people. Lost and Found are raising the bar in Cyprus, and I really enjoyed working with his crowd. It's a great bar, great concept, great setup, great organization, incredible bars. Cheers.